In the forest big and wide, little bunny wants to hide. Shadows move and make a sound. Bunny's heart goes pound, pound, pound. Owl comes near, soft and wise, shiny stars in his bright eyes. Little bunny, don't be scared. In the cave your light is there. Bunny shakes and whispers slow, "Owl, I'm scared, I can't go." Owl says, "Try, my friend, you're bright. You have courage in the night." Step by step through trees so tall, leaves go shh and bugs go call. Rocks and paths are long and slow. Bunny hums, "I'm brave, I go." Then he sees a crystal gleam, soft and shiny like a dream. Bunny touches, fear takes flight. Cave turns warm with happy light. Bunny smiles, his heart is strong. He was brave.